and gentlemen. Today I'm going to deliver a short speech on the topic pollution. Pollution has become a very common yet serious issue in today's world. It has been there for a long time even before human evolution, such as volcanic eruption, wildfire, which leads to various photochemical reactions in the atmosphere. The current concern is that it is rising day by day due to various resources of pollutants, and one of the pollutants is human and human created machines. It is to say that pollution is damaging the Mother Earth severely, and we humans should play our part to prevent it from happening. Now, what is pollution? Pollution is the presence of contaminants in the natural environment that causes harm and damage, and it leads to adverse changes. Now, kinds of pollution. So there are mainly three kinds of pollution. The first is air pollution, second is water pollution, and third is soil pollution. Now let's discuss air pollution. Air pollution occurs due to presence of harmful gases and substances in the air. It is due to vehicle emission, dust and dirt, poisonous gases from the factories, etc. To reduce air pollution, we should use carpooling or public transport rather than using your private vehicles. We should avoid burning trashes or other materials, etc. Now discuss water pollution. Water pollution happens when toxic substances get mixed in various water bodies such as lakes, ocean, rivers, etc. Here toxic substances means chemical fertilizer, industrial waste, sewage and waterway, mining activities, marine dumping, etc. Now let's discuss soil pollution. Soil pollution depicts the contamination of soil due to presence of toxic substances such as excessive use of fertilizer and pesticides, deforestation, industrial waste, etc. To maintain the soil's fertility, the government must limit the usage of fertilizers and plant more trees. There are few other pollutants apart from above mentioned, one such as radioactive pollution. This is one of the rarer types of pollution. It occurs due to presence of radioactive substances such as nuclear waste in the air, solid, liquids or any other places. Now, how to reduce pollution gradually? Upon learning about the harmful effect of pollution, it is everyone's responsibility to take some steps towards prevention. We should be aware of all the possible preventive measures to help reduce every kind of pollution, such as scrub air pollution. We should avoid bursting crackers during any festival or using public transport or carpool to reduce air pollution, or cutting down the usage of loudspeakers and public honking would help in noise pollution. We should always be aware of this situation and take measures accordingly. It is us who should be cautious in the beginning and make everyone else surrounding us conscious as well. We should take eco-friendly steps like planting more trees, reduce the usage of plastic, use more sustainable products in the household, etc. While talking about the pollution of the entire world, you should always remember that every small step will lead to a bigger impact in one day definitely. Conclusion. In a nutshell, every kind of pollution leaves a huge negative impact on our environment, human lives, animals, etc. We as responsible citizens must take steps towards a better tomorrow. We must join hands to take various initiatives and fight against this problem. A lot of innocent lives are put in danger due to pollution every day. If we don't do anything from now or take a stand to make the earth pollution free, then the doomsday will be upon us very soon. Thank you and have a nice day.